Hi, welcome to this short tutorial on how to use Microsoft Teams for the Newlands virtual transition sessions. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Microsoft Teams, follow the simple instructions and you'll be well on your way in joining the virtual transition at Newlands Primary School.
Click on the email from the teacher who is hosting the transition session with your child. Once the email is opened, you can click yes to confirm you are attending the meeting or no if you are not. You can also add it to your calendar as a reminder for later. On the morning of your transition session, click on Join Microsoft Teams Meeting from the same email. A new tab will open. If you're not familiar with Microsoft Teams, just click Continue on this browser. This will open up the meeting. On this page, we ask that you enter your child's first name so your host teacher can identify your child. Click Join to start the meeting. It's as simple as that. Now you can start interacting with your host teacher and enjoy the transition session at Newlands Primary School. Make sure you familiarise yourself in the coming weeks with the options that you have at the bottom. You can turn your camera and microphone off using these two buttons. You can raise your hand using this button. And if you click on the three dots for the presenter and pin it, they will become the main person you see on the screen. Once you've finished, simply hang up.
If you have any queries about the process in joining the Teams meetings, don't hesitate to contact the school.